Hey guys, this is Mahesh. You must know what exactly science is, how it works, and what exactly is scientific approach is or scientific method is. So let me tell you what is science. Science is the word which has been derived from word scientia, which is a Latin word, and which word means to know. It means to know something. Now what is that something? That something is the nature. That something is the nature. The nature around us, we always try to look at it in scientific way. Okay, and we make few theories like theory of gravitation, theory of magnetism. These are what the theories we made to understand the nature and to use all these theories, all these laws to welfare of the humanity. Let me tell you one more thing. Anything to call theory in science, that has to go through certain steps. I'll write certain steps over here. One is observation, second is experiments, third is reasoning, fourth is modeling, fifth is prediction, sixth is verification, and seventh is theory. Let's apply all these steps with one theory, that is theory of gravitation. Okay, theory of gravitation has been discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. So what Newton must have done? Newton must have observed few things, then he must did few experiments, then he must have did quantitative and qualitative reasoning of it, then he must have made few models of it, then he must have predicted something, then he must have verified that predictions, and then that particular thing became theory. So in this way the gravitation theory came into existence. So this is how science works. Anyone have to claim any particular theory, he has to go through all these steps, and then he can claim his thing to become theory or law. That is what we call it as scientific method. And we all know that science is dynamic. Okay, why science is dynamic? Science is dynamic because there is nothing permanent theory, or there is no theory which is final in the science. So that is why science is dynamic. You can even change the gravitation theory if you go for certain observations, experiments, reasoning, modeling, prediction, verification, and then you come to know that it is going through all these steps and it is satisfying all these steps. Then you can claim your own gravitation theory, or even you can make your own laws. That is what the power of science. I hope you got exactly what science is, and then let's go towards one branch of science, that is physics. Okay, what exactly physics is? Physics is the word which has been derived from one word named physik from Greek language. So what exactly the word physik means? Physik means nature. Okay, so basically if we have to put this physics into definition, then we can define physics, the branch of science which studies the laws of nature. Okay, so that is what physics is. But physics has very vast scope in all the streams of our life. Like physics we can apply to microscopic approaches like atomic physics, nuclear physics, quantum physics. Physics we can apply for macroscopic approaches like mechanics, optics, thermodynamics, electrodynamics. Okay, so physics has very vast scope, and what exactly we get from physics, that is also one important thing. Why exactly we do study physics? The answer of this question is we get the reasoning attitude to solve the complex problems. What does it mean to solve complex problem? First of all, we have to understand the problem, then we have to split the big problem or the complex problem into simpler ones, and then we have to solve those problems. So that attitude we can get from the studying physics. So that is why we study physics. Please feel free to ask questions in the comment box. I will try to answer most of those. If you found this lecture useful, please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lecture.